All right, Matt, with the big win today, taking me out. What do you think? How'd you play?
Terrible. Made a lot of stupid mistakes. I feel fortunate enough to get the win. I think the sun played a big factor for whoever was serving with it and whoever was playing against it. Really helped a lot, or hindered you. So.
You think the time off on your trips to volley were a factor?
No, not too much. It was a lot of R&R over there, drinking mojitos by the pool.
Okay.
It's what I needed. All that rest to recover from the ass kicking at the hands of Mr. England. I needed that time to recover, recoup, rejuvenate, come back, and I feel pretty good right now.
And you said before the game you practiced by watching Andy Roddick on the television. Tell us about that.
Damn right I did. U.S. Open, baby. I've been taking notes every night. Study that stuff, 3 hours a day minimum. Got a lot of notes in the notebook here. So.
Well, it paid off today, right?
All right.
That's thanks. A big win, and congratulations, Matt.
Appreciate it.
Good luck in the time to come here.
All right, thanks.